Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 15th of May, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, oil major Eni is closing in on the sale of a 20% stake in Plenitude, its renewable energy arm with interests in some of the world's largest offshore wind projects. The Italian group said that it has entered exclusive negotiations with Ares Alternative Credit Management over the sale. Plenitude is reported to have an equity value of between 9.8 and 10.2 billion euros and an enterprise value of more than 12 billion. On May 13th, during the state visit of Brazilian President Lula to China, several members of his delegation met with Goldwind executives to discuss their expansion plans in Brazil. Both parties agreed to strengthen cooperation in the fields of wind turbine equipment manufacturing, wind farm development, as well as talent training. The cooperation is expected to bolster the Brazilian supply chain. Goldwind's existing factory in the state of Bahia already employs more than 100 people. In 2024, a total of 204 new wind turbines with a capacity of 1.1 gigawatts were approved in Schleswig-Holstein. Project approvals in the state typically take 18 months, while the national average in Germany is 23. The State Energy Secretary Joschka Nuff has said, quote, "Now we need to work with the new federal government to create a reliable framework for the continued success of the energy transition." With a majority of votes, the Assembly of North Macedonia adopted the new law on energy. Among the objectives for the law, they seek a significant increase in the share of renewable energy sources in final consumption. Additionally, they intend to implement an open energy market in which citizens become active participants through production, sales, and membership in energy communities. The law also addresses infrastructure stability through investments in storage systems and their digitalization. GE Vernova announced plans to invest approximately 140 crore rupees in India to expand its electrification manufacturing and engineering footprint. Specifically, this will enhance the manufacturing facilities for advanced grid technologies that enable stable, reliable, and secure delivery of electricity. Improvements to GE Vernova's electrification business includes the development of a new manufacturing line at its existing facility in Chennai, as well as a brand new facility in Noida. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.